Hey guys, Sean from Talking Shop 716. We've got a 2019 Subaru Ascent here. We're going to do the cabin air filter in. Obviously, first we're going to open this glove box door, release this lock tab on the right hand side, simply pull it outwards. And on the left and the right hand side of this glove box door, we've got a couple tabs. You're going to want to pull inwards on those tabs to release the glove box from the dash. Little struggle here doing it one-handed. But as the tabs come out, you can just simply pull on the glove box door. It comes right out. Got the HVAC cover plate here. You're just going to pinch these little tabs to open that cover plate up and expose the cabin air filter. This was actually a factory filter in this 2019 Ascent. Had about 75,000 miles on it. Full of debris, leaves. There's a rat's nest inside of this thing. So take your time when you're doing this. Get all that debris out. Pull anything that might cause issues further down the line. Anything that'll get sucked down into that blower motor and cause noise issues. So after you get everything all cleared out and ready to go, you're going to want to go ahead and put your cabin air filter in orientation arrow down. The cage of that blower motor sucks the air downwards through the HVAC system. As soon as you get it slid in, nice and flush, take that cover plate, tabs facing up. Just make sure they seat properly. If you don't, you'll get a crack in that box and it'll whistle when you turn your blower back on. So just get it in there, push it till it clicks. You're going to remount this glove box door here. Just a hinge on the left and the right. Just lock those into their proper tab there. And simply push the door up till it clicks. Remount your right hand side mounting tab and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Give a like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.